So this is the first video I'm actually filming in 2023, and I must say I'm kind of inspired, bro. I got a lot of shit lined up. I've been in my notes writing some little scripts and shit, you feel me? Trying to do this a little bit differently this year. We're gonna start this year off slight with a little Christmas pickups video and my last Supreme unboxing from last year. But if y'all do end up enjoying this one, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Supreme season's almost over, so make sure you subscribe and follow NORI on Instagram, which is my brand. In order to enter in this giveaway right here, make sure you DM me on NORI. Done, and you will be confirmed for this giveaway. But with all that being said, let's get into this video. Let's start this off smooth with the trackpad 2.0. I did get the 1.0 last year, and honestly that one uses AA batteries, so this is a little bit smoother. You could just plug it up and play. Definitely useful for editing videos or just surfing the web, whatever you're trying to do. Smooth trackpad coming from Apple, obviously in the white colorway. Pretty smooth, pretty clean, not gonna lie. Shout out to Bae for this shit right here, gonna come in handy. Honestly, this year me and Bae spoiled each other. I'm not really gonna show her gifts because, you know, I also got this Essentials hoodie in the black colorway. It's like this black suede, then on the back you have that Essentials as well. I love how smooth it is. Honestly, it looks clean and I'm fucking with it, bro. I feel like you could wear this with so much, if not everything. This is a size large. The one I'm wearing now is an XL. Honestly, this one fits me so much better. It's like a little more snug on my body, and I feel like it just looks smoother with the fits. So I'm honestly excited to throw some shit together with this hoodie. Let's get into my last Supreme unboxing of 2022. We got some little stickers and shit. We got the Doughboy sticker. Shout out to Doughboy. We got this shit right here. Then we got these two tees. That's crazy, bro. Those were the only two stickers we got. Normally you got like 3 to 4 stickers. They out here being stingy with it. But let's open this one first. The Dylan tee in this eggplant colorway. This one's hard, I'm not gonna lie. I'm fucking with this colorway. Has that little bit of sauce on the back too. This one's clean for sure. Let me know if y'all fucking with this one. Honestly, one of the better tees that came out this season. I feel like it still has that skater vibe to it, but it's not doing too much. And I'm fucking with it. I'm fucking with that Bordeaux wine color as well. Once I'm able to swap my Amamaniers for my size, this is gonna be a fire fit. The second tee we got was the Doughboy tee in this black colorway. Come on, bro. I told y'all from the beginning I was fucking with Doughboy. This shit is hard, bro. You cannot play yourself. This shit is clean. Doughboy Supreme on there, you feel me? Bang. I was gonna get it in that tannish cream color, but Doughboy's already that color. I feel like it would have been too plain, so I decided to fuck with the black. Hey, it's still clean, size large, which I don't have many of. I did need another black one, so you feel me? We in there with the Doughboy tee. This one's a banger, bro. Banger. Great way to end the season, at least for me, you feel me? With the two tees out the way, that's all I got for Supreme. Now these last 4 pickups are gonna be Christmas gifts that I got. First, my brother and sister actually got me Hogwarts for the PS5, pre-ordered obviously because that hasn't dropped yet. That's coming in February. Low-key, that game was looking fire. I don't know if that's something you're into, but another clean game to add to the PS5 arsenal. I'm actually amped about this one because the game looks fire. The next thing I got was this soft light box, which I'm gonna put a picture up here for y'all, from the homie Yef for the studio. So we in here with the better lighting. This is inspiring me to buy another one and kind of getting my whole setup rearranged type shit. These last 2 pieces are actually bangers. First one being the AirPod Max. Shout out to my parents for this one. They came through with the headphones, and I must say I'm gonna be using these shits a lot, whether it's for listening to music or editing purposes. These are definitely gonna come in handy. Bang, in the box. Let me know if y'all want a review on these. I would do it. Pull these out the little case or whatever. This is the space gray color or space black. After using these for like a week, I must say the sound is actually impeccable. It sounds so smooth. Once you turn off the noise canceling, you can start hearing shit. It almost feels like your ears are popped and shit. There's a bunch of shit going on. These sound great. So I feel like these headphones are pretty pricey, but they are worth it because of the sound. Y'all know how Apple be. Now, arguably, I left the best for last. Shout out to my girl for getting me the lost and found Jordan 1s. These are unexplainable, bro. Let me open these. come on, bro. These shits are gorgeous. Like, there's no words other than that to explain it. I've never had Chicago's. These being the special version of them. After I saw these in hand, I realized again why I put these at #1 sneaker of the year. It's a beautiful shoe, bro. From the little vibes that they added on it, the vintage shit, to it being a Chicago Jordan 1. Bangers, in my opinion. These damn near still need a review, but it's not gonna happen because it's too late. I might do a how to style for these. I feel like they deserve it. That's the last gift that I got for Christmas. Let me know what y'all got in the comments, but most importantly, let me know if y'all had a great time for Christmas. Hopefully y'all did, you and your loved ones. Honestly, gifts are great and all, but it's not worth more than time spent. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Subscribe anyway, because we're giving away this iRag tee as soon as the Supreme season is over. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, follow NORI, which is my brand, coming soon. Make sure you DM me on there saying done, and you will be entered for this. But with all that being said, I hope y'all have a great rest of your day, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.